In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale the UI interface in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to make the Figma interface itself easier to read and navigate, and how to properly scale the elements in your design without breaking proportions. First, open your design. Launch Figma and load the file you want to work on so you can see your canvas along with the Layers panel, Properties panel, and the top toolbar. Having your design visible is important because we're going to adjust two different kinds of scale: the interface you use to work and the actual objects on your canvas. Let's start with the overall Figma interface. If the panels, menus, and interface text feel too small or too large on your screen, you can zoom the UI itself without affecting your design. Use the shortcut command Ctrl+Shift++ to increase the UI size. Each tap bumps the panels, menus, and labels up a notch, making them easier to read. To make things smaller again, press Ctrl+Shift+-. This is especially helpful if you are presenting, working on a high resolution display, or simply want a more comfortable reading size. Remember, this only changes the interface scale. Your design stays exactly the same. Take a moment to find a UI size that feels right for your eyes and your workspace. Now, when you want to resize the actual design elements on your canvas, you'll use a different approach. Press K to activate the Scale tool. You'll notice your cursor change and the selection bounding box will be ready for proportional scaling. With the Scale tool on, click to select a frame, a group, or individual objects, then drag a corner handle to scale up or down. This method proportionally scales frames, text, and strokes together, so headings don't get left behind and strokes don't stay thin while shapes get larger. It's a reliable way to resize components, layouts, and entire sections of a design while keeping visual relationships intact. That's it. Thanks for watching.